Meanwhile, a political crisis continues in Thailand. A court has thrown out the results of the nation's recent general election. Asia correspondent Lucille Toulousan reports the ruling means the country's political crisis will continue.
The Constitutional Court ruling was viewed as a victory for thousands of anti-government protesters. Last February, they blocked candidate registrations and caused the closing of 10% of Election Day polling stations. Prime Minister Yingluck Shinawatra scheduled the snap vote in a bid to appease angry demonstrators who wanted her out of office. The uprising began after she signed a bill that would have given her brother, former Prime Minister Thaksin, amnesty from corruption charges. A Thai court declared her action illegal. Yingluck's government is still pressing for new elections, but the opposition says they'll boycott and prevent them from happening. They want an unelected People's Council to make reforms before new elections are scheduled. The protesters say they're tired of government corruption. Meanwhile, Yingluck is facing a series of legal challenges that could lead to her removal from office, including negligence charges linked to a rice pledging scheme.
This rice pledging program basically means that the government would pawn your rice stocks above the market price. But this program became disastrous because the government could not find money to pay for individual farmers, and that's why many farmers were crying now. They have not received money for the last 6 months.
And that caused some farmers to protest by camping out in tents in the middle of Bangkok.
We will fight till the end. Anyway, we have nothing to lose because our business is already bankrupt.
A much longer time and more sacrifice may be needed to reform Thailand, but most Thai people are hopeful that the present political crisis can transition to a democracy in its true sense.
And many Thais are now looking to their beloved king to help solve this political stalemate. Lucille Toulousan, CBN News, Bangkok.